Today is Indian Museum Foundation Day. In this backdrop, we are joined in by Argo Kamal Ganguly, who has pursued BFA and MFA from Rabindra Bharati University, Kolkata, and is presently serving as an assistant curator at National Gallery of Modern Arts, Delhi. Argo Kamal is now going to present his thoughts on the topic role of museum in the society. Argo, welcome to our program, and over to you.
Thank you. Museum is a place which is more like a visual library. Once you enter the architecture or building, and through walking, viewing the display, you start to experience different stories, concepts, and become the part of the history or civilization. We can engage ourselves with museum through appreciating basic 5 points: collection, documentation, restoration, display, and education. Let's elaborate. Collection. Any museum, when we visit, we start to see and explore the collected objects which has been showcased. Documentation. While viewing those objects, we start to read the provided informations, from what time the object belongs. Slowly, we start to think about history, socio-economic condition, geography, time, and space. Restoration. Visitors start to realize how these art objects are so fresh in condition till now. Maybe 200 years ago or 500 years ago, these were made or later on excavated. Who are these people behind the scene? Actually, they are the doctors of art objects. They really take good care of museum collection by maintaining intensity of light, which will be focused on the displayed piece, temperature and humidity of the indoor gallery space. We can call them conservator or restorer. Display. What will be the strategy to showcase the art objects? What will be a route of audience movement? Fabrication of the entire place, how it will be attractive and aesthetically appealing. Museums do not cater only for young audience or students. Senior citizens, specially able people, how they start to participate with the way art objects has been presented. Sometimes wall text, use of audio-visual narration become the integral part to project the core idea or theme of the exhibition. Education. After visiting the museum, what remains with you? It's not about only memorizing few years specifically or information about historic events or artists. It's all about to develop an individual's mind to appreciate, preserve, and carry forward the tangible and intangible heritage from the surrounding. Respecting diversity, collecting inspiration, finding resources to imagine, admiring the living traditions. This all can be nurtured through making the habit of visiting museums. Keeping all these points in mind, today in 21st century, where during lockdown situation, most of the museums are sharing their treasures and archive digitally. Virtual tours has been offered to connect with larger audience. It's similarly a challenge to make the physical museum space more active and alive in post-COVID time. Curatorial interventions, planning, brainstorming sessions are much more important to re-establish the connection of day-to-day life with museum practice. As an example, National Gallery of Modern Art, Delhi, established in the year of 1954, Jaipur House, India Gate Circle, offers 3 different kinds of exhibition. 1. Permanent exhibition, which showcase and map the journey of past 200 years, almost from 1850 onwards till now, in India, introducing the treasures and pioneers. Second, major artist retrospective and theme-based temporary show. These temporary shows give a comprehensive idea about a single artist's journey or showcase few artists together with a research framework. Third, international exhibition. What is happening in different countries' museum practice? This sort of traveling exhibition opens up discussion and engages people to communicate and become aware about global scenario. Simultaneously, NGMA conducts regular curated walks to introduce the exhibitions for academic groups and museum lovers. With each exhibition, public lectures, film screening, meet the artist or curator programs are also planned to keep the dialogue active. Time to time, different workshops and internship programs are also being offered to bring in the new fresh energy and idea, which helps even the museum professionals to reread and reinterpret their practice. Night at Museum program, opening the museum premises for extra hours in some selected days, arranging different cultural programs like theatre, dance, music in the outdoor sculpture garden area helps to bring more footfall and interest to connect with different discipline of creative practice. In weekend, making the campus vibrant with pottery activity or sketching session is also a much needed endeavor to bring back the idea of sharing, meeting different artists informally, learning and appreciating from each other's work at the same time while experiencing the formal museum space. Sitting and reading in the reference library altogether is an amazing chance to relive the tradition in the present time. Museum space will be more fertile, not only with the efforts of museum professionals or curatorial strategies. Active participation of public is very much needed to keep any culture or history alive. With the efforts of respected educators, teachers, guardians, students through different museum visits, how can we plan our future journey more in a constructive manner? The museum plays a very important role to activate our senses and thinking process slowly but surely.
The museums are an extension of our textual education, wherein the textbooks and their references are present in physical form. What you read cannot teach you that much, but what you see in front of your eyes crystallizes in your visual memories to make the things more understandable. That was Arga Kamal Ganguly presenting his talk on the role of museum in society. This broadcast came to you over the FM Gold service of All India Radio.